Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your Stash bank account number and routing number. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of stock after you fund your account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Bank. At the middle part of this tab, you will see several options. Click on the Direct Deposit option. Under Setup Direct Deposit, you will see 3 sections. Click on the View button on Copy your account information. And now you will see your routing number and account number. That's how you view your Stash bank account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.